Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The new president of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, Christopher Jarrett, said that the JHTA executive will be ramping up pressure on the government over taxation concerns affecting the industry. Mr. Jarrett expressed confidence in the sector's outlook, noting that tourism now accounts for 1/3 of Jamaica's gross domestic product. He said with the addition of new hotel rooms, that contribution is expected to grow even further. And Mr. Jarrett told RJR News that the sector, which generated net foreign exchange earnings of US $1.76 billion last year, must become more inclusive to support its continued growth. NCB Insurance Agency and Fund Managers Limited, NCBIA, is now one of the investment managers for the groundbreaking Tourism Workers Pension Scheme, TWPS, following an appointment by the scheme's trustees. Under a 3-year contract that began on June 30, 2025, NCBIA began managing a portion of the fund, which currently stands at approximately $3.7 million. Antonio Spence, head of NCBIA, welcomed the appointment, expressing his gratitude on behalf of the company to serve the tourism workers of Jamaica. The TWPS, administered by Guardian Life Limited, is designed to benefit over 350,000 workers in the tourism sector. For the trading period ending July 1, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Medical supplies distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 351,213,208 units traded, representing 95.99% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,635,975 units traded, represented 0.99% of market sales volume. Office furniture and supplies distributor Stationery and Office Supplies Limited with 1,845,171 units traded, representing 0.5% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 1, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $90.35 million purchased and US $87.89 million sold to Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.24 per dollar, selling the US at $160.10 and buying the US at $158.86. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4.91 per transaction, with selling at $122.31 and buying at $117.40. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.09 in profit, with selling at $216.82 and buying at $214.73. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score isn't just a number, it's a powerful tool waiting to be activated. When used strategically, it can open doors to premium perks that free up your cash, protect your purchases, and fund bigger goals. The time to stop letting rewards and resources slip through your fingers is now. Let's turn your credit into a wealth-building machine. So let's look at some benefits. You can enjoy annual travel credits. With the right credit score and the right credit card, you can gain up to $300 back on airfare, hotels, or ride shares. That refund pays for your ticket to opportunity. Say goodbye to foreign fees. If you're doing business globally, keep every penny you earn. There's no extra 3% tax on your purchases abroad with the right credit card. With your credit score up, you get extended warranties automatically. So when you buy that new laptop or camera, you could do so with confidence, because if it breaks, the card has you covered. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.